Hi guys, good morning. Someone has rightly said, growth is life. Hi guys, my name is Karan and welcome to your channel. As you have rightly heard, growth is life. So, in today's topic, in today's discussion, we will talk about two types of growths. One is technical growth and the other one is spiritual growth. There could be many other type of growths as well, but today we are focusing on these two types of growth because they impact us. If we take charge of our lives, if we grow technically and spiritually, we will have a very comfortable life. We will have a rich life, a happy life. Okay guys, so let's talk about the first type of growth, technical growth. Okay, what is technical growth? Very simply, in plain English language, simple words, technical growth is to know the technicalities of life. For example, how to drive a car. For example, how to write a letter, how to study, how to work on Excel, how to behave in an office, how to grow in your job, what to study. Let's say you want to study a particular course. This is all technical education, technical growth. You are working in an office, you want to grow, you have to learn something new, right? That is technical growth, guys. You have a relationship, you want to do better in your relationships, so you will do some studies, attend seminars, go through some videos. You and your spouse will grow together. Technical growth. You want to do something, make a product, do some innovations. Okay, you will do research, you will do a lot of other things, right? That is called technical growth. So technical growth is very, very vital for you to grow in particular fields. It could be any field, as I mentioned just a while ago. But we cannot think of a life where technical growth is not important, because we have responsibilities and we are surrounded with so much of stuff that we have to grow every day, and our technical education has to be given advantage. We have to make money, right? Money comes with more and more technical education. But yeah, that was about technical education. Now let's talk about our spiritual education. Technical education will give us money, money, vitamin M. Spiritual education, on the other hand, will give us a sense of satisfaction. It will give us connectedness to the higher self, to the Lord. It will give us happiness. We want a combination. We want money and we want happiness. The ideal combination, money and happiness, will come to us if we also devote some time on our spiritual education. How we will do it? Very simple. In the morning, show some gratitude towards what you have in your life. Say thank you for the stuff God has given us. That's how you will be slowly and steadily move towards spiritual growth. You will thank for the food you have, the clothing, your family, your education, your health, and a lot of other things. Be thankful, seek forgiveness. Whenever you do any mistake, guys, ask for forgiveness. Okay, maybe if you are a beginner, do some meditation, yoga. There are different programs. You can get aligned to those programs and learn yoga, do meditation, so that you get connected. The lost connection which we have from the our Lord, it gets reconnected. So that is my suggestion. You could have a different thought process, but I wanted to talk about spiritual growth while gratitude, while seeking forgiveness, while doing yoga, and being a kind-hearted person. Okay guys, it's a short video. Two things: technical education, spiritual education, both deserve our equal time. I wish you all the best. Do well technically, spiritually, make a lot of money, stay happy. I will see you soon in my next video. May God bless you. Have a nice day ahead. Cheers.